morning. So I always love starting my day running when I'm exploring a new city. So here I am, Gothenburg. I don't have a plan. I don't really know where I'm going. I know I'm gonna head towards the water, but it's finding like things like this that really make everything to me, because you can't find that on a map, and it's just beautiful. Again, I'm obsessed with mosaics. Let's see what we can find. Hi, I'm Natasha, and I've been living and traveling abroad for the last 6 years. I recently moved to the northern part of Spain, but we're not in Spain today, we're in Sweden. So subscribe and let's get exploring. Now, I've seen so many churches since I've explored Central America and Europe. I don't think I've ever seen one quite like this. I did read something about it. I think it's from Neolithic times. Beautiful. Well, that was close. Neo-Gothic, late 1800s. And what's really cool to me is that they've got burnt bricks. Not quite sure why they're burned. I find it a bit interesting that detail, it's not something I have commonly seen. I don't think I've ever seen leaves. I'm not joking. This is normally how my run goes in a new city. I see something and I gotta see what it is. So at the top, a surprise encounter with what used to be a fortress. Apparently it was completed in 1700, and a quick Google search tells me that right after it was completed it was a fortress for a while, and then eventually it became a prison, and now it's used for wedding parties. This fortress is older than my own country. Europe. Showered, clean, ready. Now it's time to explore. I saw the sun shining, so I knew I had to get out as soon as possible. I'm on my way to the old city center. I found this like sweet shop. I don't know, it looked really fun, colorful, playful. So I thought, hey, let's try it. And they have so many sweets, it's insane. I've never seen so much candy. I got some of my favorites, but then also some that I've never seen before. So let's try. Okay, for the peach first. Because I love it. Save the other half for later. Another thing? Ooh, actually it smells like chocolate. It's super sour. Really sour. Holy crap. Holy crap, it feels like little sour bombs are exploding in my mouth. But like with a hint of blueberry. Whoa. I don't know if you get it, but sometimes when I try these kind of things that are really sour, I get like a tingling in the back of my mouth. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Let's see. Look at that. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. Tastes like root beer. Onwards and see what else we can find. It's been 10 minutes walking and I feel a massive buzz, a sugar rush. I don't often eat refined sugar, but here we are. Woo! One of the most famous coffee places in Gothenburg, and it's actually won some awards for being Sweden's best coffee. And it is delicious. You know it's a good place when there's locals everywhere. I've also got this delicious thing, so I guess cinnamon buns are really famous here, and I've never had a cinnamon bun quite like this. It's amazing. I couldn't find any sugar. A little bit too embarrassed to ask because there was a massive lineup and I already took up so much of the ladies' time. So I decided to dip my cinnamon bun into the coffee. It tastes pretty good. I'm noticing something really interesting along the river here. I keep seeing ladders and stairs that just let people go in, and lifesavers that you can throw in to help somebody. So I'm actually guessing that in the summertime, when it's a bit warmer, people go swimming. I don't know if it's true, I'm not sure, but I did see some kayakers, so I think people actually do water sports in here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's clean enough, because it's Sweden. Over just walking around looking at shops. It's really cool and it's really beautiful, but now I'm in a different part of town. Looks pretty chic, and there's a giant Ferris wheel with a museum in front of me and a dinosaur. Let's see what this part of Gothenburg has to offer. Fogging up. It's just like a rainforest here. This is incredible. It's super hot, probably like 28 degrees. Whew. There it goes again. Gonna have to switch. I couldn't believe this place. It's not somewhere or something that I've seen before. I was okay with supporting it, unlike zoos, because I found out that it's actually a conservation, breeding, and learning center. So I felt pretty good about it. And what's really neat is that there's animals from many different parts of the world. I feel like a kid in the candy store. Where is this guy? Look at that guy. Oh God, this is unreal. It would have been nice to stay in the heat around exotic animals and nature and learning about why we shouldn't put plastic in our oceans. we shouldn't. But now, I'm hungry. Time to find some food. I was thinking of some Swedish food, but they're all closed on Sundays. Or they're already closed because it's almost 6. That's the way it rolls. So today, I'm gonna have to find something delicious. Somebody put dish soap in the fountain. Oh, that's hilarious. Full belly, 14 kilometers of walking, and a camera that is almost dead. I think that's a wrap. I learned so much about Sweden today. I got to see so much. It's an incredible place, Gothenburg. I haven't seen the rest of Sweden yet. But that's it for now. Alright, so the next day was basically back to reality. I'm a digital nomad and I teach English online. So I had a few students to teach, but then after, I had the rest of the day to explore and see the most that I could of Gothenburg. I've only got a couple hours left in Gothenburg, so I'm kind of wrapping things up, and I thought I'd seen most of the stuff, but then I kept seeing Poseidon everywhere and seahorses, so I thought maybe I should go check out this river that's so popular, so famous. So here I am. Right behind me is the Opera House, and then there's also this lipstick looking kind of building. Really interesting. And then there's like a massive ship. So from what I've learned so far is that water and seafood are really important to Gothenburgians. I don't know, Gothenburgians. Ah, sun's coming out. And that's another thing I noticed, that a lot of Swedish people in this part of Sweden, people love the sunshine. So they're like flowers that just shine when the sun comes out. Feels so refreshing to just be here. I feel like I finally relaxed again. I think after what the world has been going through and is still going through and probably still will go through for a while, I think it's good to take these moments, even if it's just a day or two, and to just reset and get back to who you were, you know? So I feel fresh, and I couldn't have picked a better country, I think. That's it. That's all for Gothenburg. I hope I'll be back to Sweden one day, hopefully soon. And for all of you out there, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and take care. See you next time.